So over here, what I'm going to do is press Shift A on my keyboard, and then I'm going to go around into mesh. And once I do that over here, you can see that UV sphere is an option. So once you do that over here on the wrench icon, you can see that I have an option to add modifier, and then I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click on decimate right here. So once I click on decimate, you can see that as I reduce the ratio, the number of polygons over here decreases. So you can go around and do it from different axes, maintain symmetry right here. As you can see, if you want to, you can enable and disable. And as you enable it, you can see that the symmetry is applied when the decimation is happening. You can also go around and add in triangulate, so there's no quad faces. So here's a quad face, as you can see. So if you were to click on triangulate, then it'll only use triangular faces right here. I can also use the unsubdivide option. And what that does is it tries to reduce the number of faces right here. So I'm going to just press Ctrl Z right here, go back on the unsubdivide. You can see I can increase the number of value and decrease the number of value, and it tries to decrease the number of faces in the sphere just like this. If you were to go to planar right here, you can increase the planar number, and that is how you can increase the angle limit and decrease the angle limit as per your liking, just like this. And you can choose other options over here as well. And that is how you can use the Decimate modifier inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.